Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, have been shaping our diets for decades. But did you know that humanity has been modifying the DNA of plants and animals for thousands of years? From prehistoric farming to advanced lab techniques, genetic modification is an old practice with new tools. Let's explore why GMOs aren't just safe, but could also play a critical role in sustainable agriculture. It all started in 1994, when the flavor Sava tomato became the first GMO sold to the public. Since then, GMOs have become a regular part of our diets, backed by countless studies confirming their safety. A 2013 review of over 1,700 studies and a massive 2016 report analyzing nearly 3 decades of research found no evidence linking GMOs to cancer, obesity, allergies, or other health issues. Avoiding GMOs today is nearly impossible. In countries like Brazil, most soybeans and corn are genetically modified, and these crops feed livestock and end up in processed foods. The reality is that GMOs are everywhere, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. Take golden rice, for example, engineered to produce beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. It was developed to combat malnutrition in regions where vitamin A deficiency leads to blindness and death. Despite its potential, the project faced resistance from activists, sparking debates over the role of GMOs in addressing global issues. The real issue isn't GMOs themselves, but how they're used. Industrial agriculture often relies on GMOs to withstand herbicides and pesticides, raising concerns about environmental impacts like water pollution, soil depletion, and loss of biodiversity. Yet, the same technology could empower small farmers to combat pests, drought, or extreme heat, issues becoming more urgent as climate change accelerates. But let's rewind. Even before modern science, humans were modifying plants and animals through selective breeding. For instance, the barley grown 9,000 years ago in Mesopotamia was so altered from its wild ancestor that it couldn't reproduce without human help. Similarly, many of today's fruits, like the orange, are hybrids created by combining different species. If your definition of natural is untouched by humans, then nothing on your plate qualifies. Every crop and domesticated animal we consume is the result of genetic tinkering, whether through ancient techniques or modern biotechnology. Even life-saving medicines rely on GMOs. Insulin, used to treat diabetes, is produced by genetically modified bacteria, a much safer and more ethical method than extracting it from animals as we once did. Genetic modification is just a tool, a powerful one that can be used responsibly to solve global challenges, from making crops resilient to climate change to reducing malnutrition. GMOs are allies in creating a sustainable future. The next time you take a bite, remember, everything you eat has a history of modification, and that's okay. Did this video spark your curiosity? Hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to activate the notifications bell so you never miss a new video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.